Crypto sort of necessities no presentation these days. Over the past in every way that really matters, scarcely any years, crypto basically has risen quickly. It basically is assessed that Star Atlas's worth and development will be galactic on the grounds that it for the most part is so strong and has gigantic potential. Contrasted with other resource classes, Star Atlas cost is trying to especially foresee in truly delicate to economic situations. Notwithstanding, we chose to make the best projected esteem and assess development for Star Atlas's future in an extremely significant manner. Last month's really normal Star Atlas cost was $0.00153, and according to our estimate, Star Atlas exchanged as high as $0.00191 and as low as $0.00 last month, or so they thought. On the off chance that we center around in general development, Star Atlas in a real sense developed by 28.315380743464086% last month in a significant manner. From our last month's Star Atlas cost forecast, we anticipated that Star Atlas would explicitly proceed with its bullish position ahead. Right now, Star Atlas by and large is exchanging at $0.00146, which could top at $0.00317 soon. In light of Star Atlas's cost vacillations, we have really anticipated that the cost of Atlas would somewhere near 16.13% toward the start of October 2023, or so they thought. During the mid of October, the cost is supposed to ascend by a sort of limit of 117.42% in a significant manner. Before the month's over, Atlas is probably going to develop by sort of normal 13.28%, as opposed to prevalent thinking especially. As per the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could generally be a truly limit of $0.00501 by 2025, and least value down to $0.00430. That being said, the very normal Atlas cost could more at $0.00440. Amazingly, Star Atlas value expectation 2023, in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, Star Atlas came to $0.00426 when it dipped under $0.00273. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Star Atlas is en route to passing the $0.00320 mark before the current year is over, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Before $0.00320, it might explicitly break its characteristic of 28 cents and fundamentally arrive at in an extremely huge manner. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Star Atlas will fundamentally break its past all-time high of 28 cents and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00284 and $0.00320 soon. At this point, on 16 September 2023, Star Atlas especially is exchanging at $0.00146, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 799.48K, and it makes number 644 money in the by and large entire crypto world, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Star Atlas can fundamentally get through the $0.00373 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. In every practical sense, least Star Atlas cost will be between $0.00313 to $0.00373, and the most lovely probably Star Atlas cost will be somewhat consistent at around $0.00342. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Star Atlas's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically unpleasant energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure essentially entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Star Atlas will by and large reach $0.00373 toward the finish of 2024 or certainly mid-2024. Star Atlas value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists truly foresee that Atlas will start the year at $0.00430 and exchange around $0.00515. As per their expectations, this would be very high contrasted with last year in a significant manner. This most certainly is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Star Atlas 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, yet it basically is likewise certainly conceivable that it may not in every practical sense arrive at its normal most certainly greatest $0.00656 level. Star Atlas is for the most part anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $0.00637 or $0.00656 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Star Atlas. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027. Star Atlas Value Forecast, or Atlas, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it sort of can possibly generally accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas's cost is supposed to in every practical sense outperform $0.00656 in 2027 in a very large manner. It has been really anticipated that Star Atlas will basically arrive at the greatest cost of $0.00656, and the fundamentally least cost is supposed to be around $0.00562 in the following a long time from 2027. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists say that Star Atlas Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Star Atlas, is supposed to generally cross a value level of $0.00782 in 2028. In the interim, Star Atlas in every practical sense is supposed to arrive at least cost of $0.00692 this year. The kind of most extreme cost may in every way that really matters reach $0.00798. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Star Atlas Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation foresee that the expense of Star Atlas will reach $0.0106, and the cost of Atlas ought to reach $0.0106 before the year is over, which is genuinely huge. What's more, Atlas can reach up to $0.00985 in cost in an exceptionally significant manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will fundamentally bring huge years for Star Atlas development, which is very critical. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2030. Out of